Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give one by review on the product that is Watch. If you are curious to know about the details of this product, as people from United States are very curious to know about the details of such smartphone, so let's check out the details. Like, developers mainly develop this amazing gadget by thinking about today's generation. Like, we all live in a generation where our motive is to save as much as time possible. So this watch has lots of properties and it can even track your well-being. They also provide amazing features if you walk on the road and keep your phone in your bag. Like, how you can use this: man and woman can both use watch. Black color is designed especially for men. Women can use the rose gold color, which is designed for them especially. Like, if you want to wear it, you can easily wear it just like an ordinary watch, and then it would be best if you turn Bluetooth from both of your devices on. Then download application M2 and open the application from your phone. Open your application and confirm your location setting, then you have access to your watch. Specification of Watch are: this watch design is good for mobility service. Bluetooth 5.0 has been installed. The charging time is only 30 minutes. They also provide Retina Super HD touch screen, long battery life up to 20 hours. Other features of the product are: you can receive text messages and phone calls easily from this device. You can easily play your favorite music from this amazing watch. You can set an alarm. You can even track your well-being record too. The positive point of the product are: this gadget is accurate, it looks small and attractive, you can easily handle this watch. Easy to understand user interface is here, it is not laggy at all. The negative point of the product are: they can provide us Bluetooth 5.1 in this range. Shipping time of this product takes a long time in a few cities. Charging time is a bit more. So the question here: how effective is this product all about? This product has very good efficiency. If you are buying this smartwatch, you need to check out all the reviews that are available on any platform like YouTube, Trustpilot, and so on. While in our research we get to know that whatever feature this smartphone has, it works perfectly every time. That is also one of the reason for getting good reviews from the customer who use this watch regularly. When we check out the reviews, we found on few reviews on Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn about this amazing smartwatch. It also makes an impression about the legitimacy of this product. Maximum people state in their review section that they are satisfied after using this device regularly. Many customers also said that what does not compromise anything with their device. They have given lots of features on their device, and they even stated that whatever features they have given make this watch the best in the segment. Few customers stated that their shipping services take a long time to deliver in few places. So in conclusion, we can say that this device is completely safe for you if you want to buy it, but the price of this watch is a bit expensive, and they also provide few features. So this could be a good for any buyer who wants to buy it now. And if you have a personal experience of using this product, please share your experience and views about what. We love to hear from you. Write in the comment box regarding your experience on this product.